In a quaint village, Bob found a peculiar hammer embedded in a rock. Must be ancient, he mused, imagining himself as a modern-day archaeologist. His friend, Lucy, skeptically eyed the artifact. Looks like a regular hammer to me, she quipped. Bob, undeterred, organized a grand unveiling. Villagers gathered, cameras ready. As Bob dramatically pulled the hammer, it popped out effortlessly, revealing a tag. Made in China, laughter erupted. Guess it's not a relic after all, Lucy chuckled. Bob shrugged. Well, at least it's a conversation starter. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.